Hello and welcome to Shelley's Sacred Space and our meditation moment. We are going to work on our breath work. We are going to inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 8, hold for 2. This is a type of breath work that can bring in calm, help relieve anxiety. A lot of times when we have structured breath work, that is for you to focus on instead of the other things that are causing the stress or the anxiety. Please do not do this meditation while driving or operating machinery. You can do it walking, laying down, sitting up, eyes open, eyes closed. When you're ready, please join me. In, hold, out. Hold, in, hold, out. Hold, in, hold, out. Hold, in, hold, out. Hold, in, hold, out. Hold. As we bring our breath back into a normal rhythm, connect with your body. Feel where there was tenseness before and now there's not. Take a deep breath in and out. If you like this video, please hit like. If you know someone who could have a meditation moment, please share. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe. Thank you for joining me. And until the next time, bye for now.